In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add database in Lovable. By the end, you'll have Lovable connected to your Supabase database so you can power your apps with real data without getting lost in settings or guesswork. Start by opening the Lovable dashboard. Make sure you're in the right workspace, especially if you collaborate across multiple teams. Look to the top corner for your profile avatar and open settings. This is where all workspace level configuration lives, so any changes you make here apply across your projects in Lovable. Inside Settings, navigate to the Connectors area. Connectors are how Lovable talks to external services like databases and APIs. Use the search bar to find Supabase and select it. Click Connect here to start the link between Lovable and Supabase. You may be asked to grant permissions. Go ahead and follow the prompts. If you see options for different workspaces or scopes, choose the one that matches where you plan to build. A quick tip: keep your browser from blocking pop-ups during this step since some authorization screens open in a new window. Once connected, open Manage Connected Organizations. This lets you confirm which Supabase organization is linked to your Lovable workspace. If you belong to more than one, choose the organization that owns the database you'll use. This alignment prevents confusion later when you pick projects or environments. Now, switch over to the Supabase dashboard. It's handy to keep Lovable open in one tab and Supabase in another. In Supabase, open the project that contains the database you want Lovable to access. If you have many projects, look for the one associated with your target app or environment, like development or production. Make sure the project is active and not paused, since paused projects can block connections. Inside the project, go to the database section. Here you can verify that the database is running, review schemas and tables, and see connection details. You don't need to copy keys or secrets for this walkthrough. The point is to confirm that the database exists and is healthy. With the connector established in Lovable and your Supabase project identified, Lovable can now reference this database in your builds. If something doesn't appear, double-check you're in the correct Lovable workspace and Supabase organization, and confirm your account has the needed permissions. That's it: dashboard, settings, connectors, Supabase, project, and database. From here, you can confidently start using your data inside Lovable features and workflows.